PHP and Python are both popular server-side programming languages used for web development. While they share some similarities, they are distinct in several ways. Syntax: PHP uses C-like syntax, while Python uses an indentation-based syntax. Purpose: PHP is designed primarily for web development, whereas Python is a general-purpose language used for a variety of applications beyond the web. Speed: Python is generally slower than PHP due to its interpreted nature. However, Python can be optimized with the use of external libraries. Ease of learning: Python is considered easier to learn and more beginner-friendly than PHP. Community: both languages have large and active communities, but Python has a broader range of applications and a larger developer base. Libraries and frameworks: PHP has a wide range of frameworks and libraries designed specifically for web development, while Python has many libraries and frameworks for a wide range of applications, including web development, scientific computing, and machine learning. Overall, the choice between PHP and Python largely depends on the specific needs of the project and the preferences of the developer.